Hello my lovelies, welcome back. I just made that coconut cream. This is my second soap for today, and I can still smell it and it's so good. Although I've just poured out the blue sage and eucalyptus and it's really nice too. Now it's another one of these quite thick fragrances. I would say that the cold does it, except summer has revisited us today and it is actually 26 in here, so I'm pretty sure it's not the cold that did it. So anyway, everything's in here. I'm going to give it a whiz. That was a particularly long whiz, wasn't it? Now I need a photo of, not that, because I'm not sure. Oh, there's a bit of stuff out of the palm, I think. I need a photo of that. Bear with me momentarily whilst I try and take a photo one-handed. I'm trying to take a photo of what emulsification looks like on your stick blender for an upcoming something, which I'm not telling you because it's a secret. All these plans, I have so many things going on at the moment, it's awesome. Hopefully some of them will work, because I'm sick of all my good ideas not working. People, sick of it, I am. Alright, this is going to be fairly simple. Well, we hope so, because I don't know how this is going to behave in soap. I'm going to do blue in the bottom, like this, and I'm going to do a fair amount of blue. No gloves again. I completely forgot. So used to not soaping with them that when I say that's it, I'm going to start soaping with them, I don't. Right, now, yes, the bottom is going to be blue, and I'm going to use chambray because it's lovely, and I'm going to use a lot of it because I want it. And I'm also, that can go there now, going to use some blizzard. Because, you know, why not? I'm not sure what it's got to do with blue sage and eucalyptus, but I don't care. And then this, the top is going to be white with poppy seeds in it. Oh my god, why is this leaking everywhere? What the hell is doing this? Not sure what's going on with this bottle, honestly. Has it got a hole in it or something? I don't know. Maybe I just didn't have the lid covered up. Who knows? Who knows? Nobody. That's who? Nobody knows. Toe cutter knows. That is not a reference that many people other than Australians that are my age will get, because it's out of the original Mad Max movies, which were awesome. Mel Gibson, holy cow. Whoa. Whoa. Wasn't he handsome back in the day? I mean, he's still a good looking fella, but geez, back in those days. Oh. See, I grew up watching guys like Clint Eastwood and Mel Gibson, and I used to watch a lot of westerns, so I used to watch like Charlie Bronson and Yul Brynner and, you know, all those sorts of guys, and I loved them. Especially, I had a thing for Yul Brynner. I don't know why. It's probably the bald head. Knowing me, that wouldn't surprise me. I don't mind a bald head. Hair on a guy, either way, I don't care. Although I'm not particularly attracted to bald women, although you don't see that very often, so. I'm not going to mix that anymore with a stick blender in case we have some issues and need to stick blend like some ricing out or something. So I'm just going to mix this in by hand, even though it gets a little lumpy, but that's okay. Although Kristen Stewart in what was it, Charlie's Angels and the underwatery one, which might have actually been called Underwater, with her super short hair, was really attractive. But I honestly think she would be attractive regardless of what she did with her hair, to be honest. So, oh, that's why you should wear gloves. Yeah. Okie dokie. I'm getting this out ready just in case, because I don't know what this is going to do. I have left my stick blender just here, just in case I need it. The blue layer is the first layer, which is why I'm putting the fragrance in this one first. Oh, that smells amazing. And it's loosened trace by the looks of it. It's not riced. Oh, there's so much glitter in there. Yeah. That's really nice, actually. Wow. Wow. What do you think? I love Christine so much. I watch their podcasts whilst I'm doing things on the computer, like if I'm working in, you know, doing stuff with my book or whatever, then I'll put their YouTube podcasts on, because I don't listen to podcasts any other way, because YouTube's free. But yes, I just find her and Ben interesting, although Ben they did a personality test the other day. Oh, it might have been a couple of weeks ago. And Ben was very judgmental on people who were sort of like me, I guess. Like, he sort of said basically that he thought it was a waste of time contemplating the universe. And I think Ben's not a particularly artistic kind of guy, because I think you'll find that people who are more creative and artistic are more free thinkers and do tend to contemplate the world around them, and that helps them be more artistic. So, but I certainly would never say that questioning the world around you was a waste of time, because I honestly don't think that is true. That is so loose. I'm not going to be able to do what I wanted to do, so we will just change tack here. Can you see that's like so thick. It's incredible how thick it is, honestly. But we now know that it plays well in soap. We will find out tomorrow if it discolours, because this is white. So I was going to do a black and white soap, but because it was blue sage, I just wanted to put blue in there. I was actually going to go green because of the eucalyptus, and eucalyptus always reminds me of green. It's just got that smell. So this is so nice. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It's so nice. I'm really enjoying the last, apart from that chai tea, which every time I go into the kitchen it makes me feel sick. I hate it. I can't wait to bag that shit up and piss it off. Honestly, sandalwoods and patchoulis and stuff, I can't. I just can't. I try so hard. I even made a soap with it, but I had to do the washing up with all the bowls, and it was like, no, that's too loose. So you know what? We're going to just drop swirl this bitch. Just going to drop swirl with this. Oh, it'd be different. Don't think I've ever drop swirl with a poppy seed before. different. Alright, we will need this to get the rest out. For some reason we need to do that in German accent. I don't know, I'm a weirdo. But you know, I think we'd already established that. This is not unknown, is it? So, as of today, I am 4 people off 3K subscribers. 4 people! Will 4 people please subscribe, for God's sake? As I've been getting a lot of unsubscribes, it's been hovering around 2980 for about a month now, and it's driving me batshit. Just 'cause I just wanted to tick over that 3,000 mark and stay there. After that, don't care. It's been so close for so long, and it's like, oh, why don't you love me? No, really not. I actually watched this, what was that on? Someone's channel, and there was a chick, she got banned from Instagram, and she was bawling, saying she'd have to go back to hooking because how else was she going to make a living? Like, how? And you know, because it was her OnlyFans account that got shut down, which we all know is basically just hooking anyway. Yeah, sue me for that opinion, I don't care, but I mean, if you're selling naked photos of yourself, good for you, that's fine, but don't, you know, make it seem noble or whatever. Like, you can work in a grocery store, people. You are not above that. I mean, if you're selling naked photos of your gash, then you are not above working in a frigging grocery store. So, you know, oh, I probably should get down off that high horse. I'll probably lose more subscribers now. But yeah, it was just the entitlement that, you know, that, oh my God, I'm so, you know, this is the only way I can make money. No, bitch, it's not. No, bitch, it's not. I don't know. Let's try and get some of that blue. No, there's no blue to be had. No blue to be had. Just there, that's it. That's the only blue to be had. Ah, well, never mind. What we might do, though, is just wreck it, because why not? I've gone quiet, sorry. I'm just concentrating on what I was doing. That's okay, I'll edit that out. That'll do. It's kind of boring, but that'll do. Alright. Well, I'll bring you back for the cutting, and we will see if she's changed colours or what happened, and then we can determine whether or not this is a good one to continue using, because it smells friggin' amazing, and I think it would sell really well. I actually think it would be really nice in candles as well, because it's very fresh and clean smelling. I think it would be really nice before you're having a house inspection, which I'm having next Wednesday, so maybe I should make a candle and light it. Alright, I'll see you for cutting. Ta-da! Welcome back, lolly peoples. Well, I suppose you didn't go anywhere, I did. I went and did stuffs for like a whole day. Right out of the gate, this smells like sinus relief from Eroma, or Vicks, you know, chest rub Vicks. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's got that very sort of mentholy kind of smell to it. Ooh, with a smidge of goat's milk. It's very sticky, and I should have realised that the poppy seeds would do that, dickhead. I think this looks really pretty, actually. I like that it's kind of like waves almost, isn't it? But goes well with the top. Oh, the other side of this is really good. Wait till you see the other side. Wait till you see the other side. Look! Ah, very nice. Yes, I'm very happy with this. I like how it's turned out. This is fantastic. The blue's nice. The whatever it's called, the poppy seeds in the white. Yeah, so it's not fully white anymore, and we have there's little white spots on the top, like what kind of looks like ricing. So, but I mean, everything's played really well. So I would say it just discolors just a smidgen. So if there's any vanilla in there, it's minimal, I would suggest. So I don't remember if I put TD in this because I made it yesterday, so I don't remember that far back. Sadly, that's not a joke. When I'm editing this, I will know. But yeah, I think the discoloration, if I didn't put any TD in this yesterday, then TD would do it. If I did put some, maybe a little bit more, or embrace it and just not do a white soap at all. Excuse me. It's very worth it for the price. So, and it smells really good. Like it's really sort of clean and fresh, and yeah, it's definitely a soap that I would use. So this is minty. So minty and eucalyptusy. And mentholy, which doesn't have any menthol in it, but it's definitely got those tones. So there you go, pretty awesome soap all round. And you can see when I said that I was just going to mix the poppy seeds in by hand. You can see how here there's a big chunk of poppy seed. That's why it's always best to mix it in with your stick blender. So, I mean, I don't mind. It's not a problem, but you will find that these bigger pieces will be more scratchy. Because this is ground poppy seed, it's not very scratchy at all. So yeah. Alright, that's it. We are done with this one. I will catch you on the flip side. Bye.